Okay, I thought I'd just run some trains for everybody. Now, right now I'm over by Red Rock. I'm watching a coal train go through. This area here is pretty much all done. So, there might be a few touch-ups here and there, but that'll be over time. And there goes the coal train. Got another train coming here. Not going by the elevator right now. I'll pan back here a little bit and get some. And here it comes again. And as it hits the next town, I haven't named this town yet. I still have some work yet to do on it and everything, but this area here pretty much done too. As you can see here, there's some area I still got to work in yet, but hopefully get some of that done here before too long. But here's the coal train again, and here comes the other freight coming up. This is Hickory Creek here. I kind of put this in for so traffic doesn't have to stop for trains. And as the freight train kind of takes off and leaves, it goes past the other elevator. That's where this elevator will be. And then it goes around the curve and out of sight. Okay, we're going to jump over here. Get a picture of some of the trains that are rolling through. We got another one coming off the bridge there too. A couple of long freights. Yeah, at first glance here, I'm going to show you this area right here. Everything looks like it's on flat. Well, it's not. This area right through here, we got a train coming in here now, and it'll start downhill a little bit there, right there. And then it goes a little bit uphill and onto the bridge. Same way down here at this area. It kind of comes out to the flats. Then it starts uphill. And then it runs pretty much on the flat. It goes all the way down to here. So that's pretty much all flat right through here to the yard. Now we got a train going up above Hickory Creek. This is on the new Cottle curved bridges that they just put out and everything. So really helped for this end of the layout anyway. And Hickory Creek is pretty much all done, as you can see. And we got another train coming up on the other track there. Still some work to do here yet. I did get the elevator in. I still got to put some vehicles and some other stuff around that yet. Still some work to do there. But pretty much everything else it's pretty much, well, done, except for some touch-ups here and there, which I'll get around to as soon as I can. So, and of course the junkyard needs some more junk in it. I gotta call Trackside Salvage and everything, so I need to get some stuff done there yet. Okay, I'm gonna shut the trains down. I thought I'd just give you a quick run here of some of the stuff that I got done and everything. So that's pretty much right here in this area is all done. Cement plant, the elevator, the town, and the yard over there is pretty much all done. So all that's pretty much done. Okay, now we're down at the other end here and part of the yard there. And like I said, most of this is all finished. Oh, down through here and everything. The Red Wing Milling Company, of course, and the bridge that goes across the washer and dryer, which I call a dry wash. And this area right through here is all done, and everything. There might be some changes later on, but right now that's pretty much done. This here looks done. Still want to add a few more items in this area. Vehicles mostly, and everything. And we come over here, and of course the corn over there is done. This is pretty much done through here. The printing company and everything is pretty much done. And this area through here is done, and everything all the way back up over to here. And of course this is pretty much all done here and everything. And the elevator. This is where I park my coal train, is right in here. And I found it's a lot easier to do that instead of putting it in a yard. And I put this third track in to do that. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And try to get some more out.